So here in the Elul Sicha of Shin Beis, the Rebbe says that what does it mean to regret a sin? That deep, bitter regret. What should be the cause or the reason for that regret? It could be because you're feeling that your sins have caused you to suffer, and that you're going to be lacking either in health or in wealth or in children, and that's why you regret. But then the regret is only as deep as you want to be wealthy and you want to be healthy and you want to have children. So it's kind of finite. Or you can regret because as a result of your sins you didn't complete your mission in elevating the world, at least your little portion of the world. But even then the regret is limited to how important the world is. And therefore, the true regret should be that what you did and what you said and what you thought are important to Him, to God Himself. And that's completely infinite. So the first thing is a person should stop and consider that all that we do is for His need, not for our need. Which means that what you do is important and necessary above, higher and higher to where there is nothing higher. And that is God Himself. So, even though we are insignificant, all of creation is insignificant, and certainly the individual who is having this regret. But on the other hand, since we are God's children, bonim atem l'Hashem elikechem, therefore the service that we offer is like that of a child to a father, and that touches God Himself. And when he realizes what he's dealing with, that his mistakes or his sins are significant to God Himself, then the regret is absolute. On the other hand, there's a joy, there's a simcha in the regret itself. And that is that just like my sins affect God Himself, and that's why the sin is so regrettable, at the same time, the fact that what I do is important to Him, that is a source for great optimism and great joy. So once we realize that it's really all about Him, the sin becomes more regrettable and the service of God becomes more enjoyable.